In this video, let me show you how to fix the unexpected error occurred on your Roblox account. Now there can be a few cases to this. Let me show you the solutions that you can try out. The first thing that you can do is force close the application. If you currently have the Roblox app open, make sure that you remove it from the recent app list and try to see if this fixes the issue. If this first step does not work for you, what you can also try out is try to turn on and turn off your airplane mode so that you can refresh your network connection. So just scroll down and then tap on the airplane mode and make sure you turn it on. Wait for 10 seconds and then simply turn it off. Even after doing both of these steps, if you're still facing this issue, then what you need to do is, if you're on an Android device, you'll need to clear the app cache. So just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, scroll down, head over to storage, and right here you'll be able to see the option called clear cache. If you're currently using an iOS device, you'll need to uninstall and reinstall the application in order to clear out the temporary cache. Now, apart from doing these steps, you'll also need to ensure that you have VPN or any sort of ad blockers disabled. If you do have VPNs or ad blockers enabled, these issues may occur. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you, the last thing that you can do is uninstall Roblox from your device and then again reinstall. This ensures that any sort of bugs which may be causing this issue will be now fixed. If this guide video was helpful to you, do let us know. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.